Detailed biography of Z Proc. Hello guys, welcome to CK Gossip. Please like, share, subscribe our channel. Let's start the biography of Z Proc. Name Z Proc. Nickname Z. Profession Z is a Thai actor, model, singer, and occasional host under the Modi TV and DMD Music. He started in hosting, then transitioned into acting from 2018 onward. Date of birth Z was born on September 10, 1992, making him 32 years old in 2025. Zodiac sign Z's Western zodiac sign is Virgo. Birthplace he was born in Thailand. Education Z graduated from Bangkok University earning a bachelor's in communication arts. His education likely contributed to his polished camera presence and understanding of branding, aiding in his career as a model, actor, brand owner, and social media influencer. Sexual orientation Z has not publicly labeled his sexual orientation while starring in LGBTQ plus or male roles. He remains private about personal life. He has stated that gender does not define love, supporting inclusivity without defining his own orientation. Family he grew up with his parents and two older sisters named Proc. Due to his father's love of trees, his upbringing centered on nature, he maintains privacy around family but occasionally references their sport and strong influence in interviews and social posts. Debut Z debuted in entertainment by hosting on Domondi TV's YouTube channel. He appeared in the film Sugar Cafe and in Friend Zone the same year, both credited as early roles. These initial steps opened doors, later leading to prominent roles in BL and mainstream dramas. Rise to fame Z's breakthrough came with BL dramas, notably Fighter in Why Are You, followed by Lian in Cutie Pie and its spin-off. The series boosted his social media following awards. He is now recognized as a leading BL actor, lauded for sincerity and impactful performances. Notable works, key titles in the portfolio include Sugar Cafe, Friend Zone, Why Are You, You Never Eat Alone, Cutie Pie and Cutie Pie 2 You, After Sundown, Naughty Baby, Spicy and Spell and The Next Prince. Music career in December 2024, she is debuted as a solo singer with the single Super Secret under DMD Music. He has also contributed to OSTs Always You, Baby Boo, Dynasty, and collaborated on theme songs for his series. His music career complements his acting. Reality shows. Before acting roles, he was a host on the Modi TV's YouTube channel, which boosted his confidence and public speaking skills. He later made guest appearances on Thai variety and music programs, further promoting his acting and singing works. Net worth estimated net worth between 5 to 6 million US dollars. Income source revenue streams include acting contracts, singer royalties and OST payments, hosting and guest roles, brand earnings from Super Sun and Z Fruit, model and endorsement deals, social media monetization, digital content, concerts and fan events. Cars, a successful Thai actor with growing wealth and a sense of style. He has owned a mid and upper tier sedan and SUVs. Hobbies he is passionate about photography, especially nature, cafes, and travel, often sharing his own shoots on Instagram. He is also health conscious, enjoys Thai barbecue and coconut juice, prefers casual fashion, and like collecting cologne. His hobbies reflect creativity, wellness, and refined taste. Pets. He owns dogs named Freaknum and Fectong. These pets occasionally feature in social media content showing his affectionate side and adding kindness to his public image. Famous chemistry. She is specially celebrated for on-screen chemistry with Saint Supapong in YRU, where their slow burn romance resonates deeply with fans. No New in Cutie Pie and sequels, forming the fanship Z New, praised for real-life connection, joint appearances, and collaborative work like OSTs and concerts. Final note: Zeeprock is a modern Thai star, multi-talented and multi-faceted actor, singer, entrepreneur, and digital influencer. His grounding in education, creativity, and authenticity shine through every role. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe CK Gossip.